Let's see this. Let's see this. I actually think I'm sharing the wrong screen here. Let's see. Yeah, brother. Welcome to being a live person on YouTube. And everybody, welcome to the stream, my people. We are live finally after like I think a 3 week break. I've been sick also, except for Dubai, but I am still sick. But fuck it, we do it, man. Let's do this. Coffee's ready, energy's ready, charts are ready. We do it. And as you guys see, we got our man Frederick on the live. Say hello, Frederick. So, yeah, man. So, this is definitely a collab between the superhumans and free minds on a YouTube live, and I think it's going to be awesome with two people thinking instead of just me thinking for myself. So we can mastermind on the markets. We can get different points of view on what I'm seeing, and I just think it will be some dope content for y'all. Let's see. And by the way, give me something in the chat if you guys hear us loud and clear, and everything is good. Yeah, man. Perfect. All right, Frederick. So first and foremost, like you said something about the indexes. You think they're gonna drop, or you think that we're looking at sales, right? Hmm. I'm looking at SPX right now. Okay, okay. Dope, dope, dope. So the thing is, what I think now is that we got news. Hey, they're saying they can't hear you, but I hear you. Wait 1 second. Yo, Martin, can you confirm that you don't hear Frederick because he just spoke? Say something, Frederick. 1 2 1 2. 1 second. Let's go. Boom. Here, Frederick. Okay, it says that your sound is on here when I'm looking at this. Okay, cool. Let's check. Let's check. Hide settings. Microphone. Hey, what is your microphone source? Oh, it actually doesn't say. It's just microphone source mic. Huh. That's not good. I don't find anything for your mic. Yeah. Check a little bit with your settings. Thank you for letting us know, Mike. Martin. I can't find it. The muted dude. Yeah, so we got news, what, 3:45. So that's in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And the thing is like this, I think before the news, we ain't gonna see nothing happen, and nothing special happening. We will see some expectations moving the market, but nothing big. Like everybody's waiting for the news now, and that's that. So let's, yeah, keep that in the background. So looking at SPX, bro, um, like when I'm on the 4H time frame, as you see here, what I see is that we are in a sell order block. Yeah. So, but the thing is, like, I just instinctively, what I see here is us basically doing a drop. Look at the charts, then you will see. I'm on the daily now, so it's a big time frame. But basically dropping down here to continue up with the dollar, because as we spoke on, if you guys have watched the video that we masterminded a little bit yesterday, we spoke on the dollar. Did we record it when we spoke on the dollar? I think we spoke on the dollar dropping. Sorry, pumping. Oh shit, that was when we reminded ourselves to record. No worries. Eh, eh, What is the big but? On SPX? I'm gonna look on Nasdaq shortly. Yeah, Nasdaq is the same in a big sell block. On what? SPX? What did you say? 40? 40? Okay, okay. Yeah, I see that now. Yeah, yeah. Market is open now. I'm just gonna go in here quick and see how the scalping looks like. We got something nice playing out. Damn. Okay, so we are in a definite buy zone. I think. Look at this, Frederick. So I think the market might definitely come down here to this discount zone here, and to make a push up from there. But that will also create a lower low. And we basically already, that's what's happening now. We're testing that lower low. We're testing that level to create that lower low. So on the scalping frame, right now we're pushing up. But I think that is just a short wick before we push down, if we're going in that direction. And we could have a nice semi-scalp here, because I see this liquidity being filled. Maybe bouncing up to this level. And this would be a very nice trade. Yeah, we'll see about that. Let's just want to see how the market plays now. The first minute now at market open. Yeah, it's actually pushing up. Maybe it's pushing up to this sell order block. It's okay. Market is already open, but it's pushing up right now. Having some resistance against the 20-day EMA. Well, I think it's pushing up to this sell order block that you see here. I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I think we're pushing up there to reverse down all the way down to that discount zone. Yeah, definite. Yeah, man, we're going there. Okay, so I'm going to repeat what you said. So what we're waiting for now is we're waiting for change of character. We already got that, and then now just a break of structure. And yeah, man, I'm gonna pull back. But no, man, I think look at this now. This was the perfect scalp entry. Fuck, I didn't see that before. 200 EMA bouncing off. That's like 10, 15 pips easy. We could have caught there. I saw it too late. Now we'll see what will happen. Will it try to push down from it? If it does so, we're in a very good sell opportunity. If not, they're not. Fuck, we gotta make them to get them to hear you as well, man. You're just dropping nuggets. We're leaving this one for a while. Let's look at gold. And by the way, we're gonna stay live here. We're gonna stay online until the news has dropped and after the news to see like how the market behaves and if we can take some trades together here. Gold is wicking down to the imbalance zone. There's a lot of imbalance on gold. Yeah, same here on the hourly, a lot. And if we look at the dollar, where's my dollar? There. If we look at the dollar, then what is it doing? Yeah, it is high probably because it broke above this. Wait, let's zoom out and look at this on a bigger time frame. And guys, as we said, or as I said in the start, there probably won't be any trade until 3:45, until the news breaks. So because before that, it feels very risky to take any trade because everybody's just waiting on the sidelines or speculating right now. So we got news in 10 minutes, and that's when we probably will see some action. Until that, what we do is just prepare the charts and see where we're at to look for some nice opportunities. I don't want to do like this. Boom. Okay, so if you look at my chart, then you see that gold is inside the sweet spot zone right now, and it's like rejecting the 200-day EMA. But we're on this is on the daily time frame. So just a big picture. The question is, like, just looking at it like this, gold should drop from here. If it doesn't want to go all the way up to the supply zone, grab the liquidity and drop from there. But it doesn't need to. So much imbalance underneath it, so it actually doesn't need that push to get down there. Let's do it like this. Let's see if we can get some music in the background. Yeah. Where is this one? No, that's not the one. Where is it? This. Guys, let me know if the sound is too high. If you can hear me loud and clear above the music. Oh, this is, no? Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, that's what actually that's why I have the headphones in, but oh shit. All right. Yeah, well, these streams will just get better and better. This is the test stream, so to say. We playing around. One sec. I have it here. Uh, uh, uh. What you looking at? What pattern are you looking at? Bat. Yeah. What you mean? I'm in there. I'm, I'm in notifications. Uh, Damn. Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out like this. Damn, this one is deep in the red, deep in the demand zone. I like it, but I don't like it shit. Like yeah, so on yeah, exactly. So on a bigger time frame, I definitely don't see a buy here, but we actually see a buy also, but it can like do any direction. But on a lower time frame, we have a nice buy, but it's a little bit against the trend. It's against the big trend, but we are in the buy order block. So you think gold is gonna hit the 1974? Yeah, yeah, exactly. So basically, if market hits 1974, then we have a perfect sell opportunity for gold. The only thing, okay, the only thing I'm hesitant about is that we have so much liquidity just above there. Why, like if it's already there, why not go up and grab all the liquidity? Yeah, so basically 1976, 77. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just let me just check something here. Uh, we need audio. Say it again. Yeah, exactly. And that's where I've put the that's where I've marked out the sell. So basically, what we would like to the market to do now, because we got the news in 1 minute, we would love it to go up to this supply zone here with this whole sell order block here and drop down from there. So basically, we if it comes up here, we're catching the sell directly. So the sell would be at about 1977. You can mark that out. Let's do it like this. Call up. Boom. Sell 1977. And that sell will be deep. So if that happens, we're looking for the market to drop like a lot. We may at least like we're gonna see it come back down to this buy order block, but I don't see why it's not gonna push down all the way to these bigger buy order blocks here. So basically, we're looking at a sell of at least 3, 4, 500 pips. It's crazy. It's a crazy amount, but yeah, man. Minimum. What we're looking at is what? Um, yeah, minimum like 200 pips, 150, 200 pips minimum. I would say that we're getting close to like 5, 6, 700 pips. 537. Yeah. Look, look the movements now. Market has popped. Exactly. Let's see what's happening. Taking out the imbalances. I always forget that they cannot hear you. I'm just gonna check. Look quick at SPX. All right, SPX is pumping. You see, look at this gap. So now it got to go up and fill this gap. So basically, what I think it will do is it will bounce off the 200-day EMA. It will come up here, fill this gap. The 200-day EMA is perfectly positioned. Man, this is a bit. This is what you call an imbalance when you see gaps like this. um, Damn, that was crazy, man. Oh, that's NAS 100. Yeah, exactly the same. NAS? Yeah. much you said? 13.8. Exactly. And that's what I'm looking at right now. That's you know what? I'm going in for sculptor. So I'm going in for a sell right now, right here on NAS 100. But listen to what I'm saying. It's a small sell. I'm looking for like 10, 15 pips. 10, 15 pips. So basically, I entered here. And I'm looking for market to drop down. Yeah, that would be even too much. But if it comes down, come on, drop, drop, drop. So here we got 100 pips. Right now, 1 pip in loss. It's not, it's actually hesitating a lot. Yeah. Now the news is not, but I don't think it has popped yet. So, because there's not much happening. We'll see. But one thing's for sure, I'm putting a stop loss at 18,835. 13,845. 35, I mean. 13,845. Putting that take profit all the way down at 13. I want to have the equal number 13,802. And that would be a nice little scalp. We're in profit right now. Let's see how this one goes. Now I'm very hesitant. All right. So let's do this. Let's do this. What are the news saying? So nothing yet, man, on the news. Okay. Because we had this one. Where is it? Yeah, this one already popped. This one came up better than expected, so it's good for the US dollar. So it should actually push up the US dollar. And that's the flash services PMI for the US dollar. Next one is on orange folder. Didn't do much for the US dollar actually. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, so it should kind of reverse from here now. Yeah, man. Imbalances are done. There should be a reversal. What is gold doing? Oh, gold almost came up. It came to 1972. Oh, my nice trade is in profit right now, actually. Bouncing around a lot due to the dollar. Damn, this one I cannot decide in what direction it's gonna go. And we got SPX slowly climbing its way up. Guys, to be honest, I'm kind of disappointed at the market. No, I thought it would pop much more. It's not much happening. I'm going back to that Euro USD trade that you saw, just to check it quick. Yeah, that one hit the sell zone. Oh, okay, okay. Nah, man. I definitely don't feel certain about this the Euro USD trade. I'm leaving. No, we're leaving it. And this piece of shit here stopped us out. Okay, we took take profit one, but it stopped us out, and now it's like it already passed TP3. And then we have how was it going with our trade from yesterday, the USD CHF? That one almost came to TP3. And if anybody is still in that trade, watching the stream, I would definitely recommend you to close partials. I think it will pump up from here and hit our TP3, but it's not sure. It might as well drop from here. Back to SPX. No, NOS. Damn. NOS is pumping up now. Yeah, it's gold playing with us. Gold doesn't want to pump. It's going to, but it's hesitating. And therefore, perfect. Yeah, come on. Moved out. We love. Mm-hmm. One position. Yeah. What you say? NAS will go up to? I think we are looking at different charts, different NAS charts. Take a looking at this one maybe, because mine already passed 1940. 13,840. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. You hear? Yeah, man. So the thing is like this when it comes to NAS, and for everybody listening, I think this is good to know also that it's important when you're looking for the NAS ticker here or any ticker for any currency pair that you want to trade. Make sure that you have the right broker on the side. You see it here. So let's say NAS 100, for example. You make sure you have the right broker because the different broker have um, different levels, and they're not showing this exactly the same. So you see here, for example, I have two. I have one that shows 13,830, and I have one that shows 13,815 at the same time. Mine is more this one up here. I think it differs only with like one pip or something. Now it's going down. (22nd of May). This what I mean. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. So now we have a solid change of character. Let's see how it goes. One minute. Let's see what happens. Gold. It's closing in. It's like creeping up, you know? It's like it wants to get there, but it's trying to push through the resistance. Actually, there's a lot of resistance if you look at it here. But yeah, man, I believe in your strategy. I think it's going to come up here to the supply zone and it's going to drop from here. So basically, 1977. If it comes to 1977, I'm in for a sell on gold, and that is a major sell. 2 point. What you said? 2.457K sell orders laying up here. Damn. Okay, so market is open. I see the volatility is spiking, crazy. A lot of movements. What's going on here? And now my trading view doesn't want to load. Bro, what's up with my trading view? No, finally. Yeah, man. Nah, man, this one got to reverse from here. Got to drop. This one is coming down. Yeah. On gold, you mean? I almost want, even though I'm in the trade, I almost want Nas to come up all the way up to the supply zone because if it drops, comes here, then I think we have a nice, really nice drop. And wait, let's look at the US dollar. Yeah. Yes, the US dollar should pump from here. It's not doing it, but it should. Nah, it can come down to this buy order block, fill that out, grab the liquidity, and then start pumping from there. But yeah, yeah, that is actually what it's doing. Coming down there. Oh, damn. Perfect. Damn. Gold is dropping. Yeah, but the funny thing is that it's not a gold. I mean, I mean, dollar is dropping, but the funny thing is that gold ain't doing it. I thought that gold will start pumping with the dollar dropping. Because look at the dollar. Look at the huge imbalance it has created. What? Damn! Look at the dollar. But it's so funny because both NAS and gold are not really doing what they normally do when gold is behaving like this. Sorry, when dollar is behaving like this. Liquidity on where? On what? Yeah, but for on what currency? Ah, okay. Yeah, I know. I see that. Yeah, man. A lot of liquidity stuck here. Yeah, maybe it's trying to just come down here, grab this liquidity and then pump up from there. That's actually a much bigger drop than we anticipated, but that would, yeah. So we're coming close to our sell entry. Manas trade is still in profit. It's like bouncing in and out of profit all the time. Because like you see, it's been like ranging inside here for now for a little while. Now it's trying to break down. Come on, do your thing. If it drops, I want it to drop all the way to 13,766. 13,766. Putting my what you said? One second. What you say, dollar? Yeah, man. Those candles are crazy. So, but like the way it has dropped, the way the dollar has dropped now, it kind of doesn't make sense for me if it doesn't go all the way down to the buy order blocks that we see down here. And look at this, look at the confluence, how nicely it is. So we got this 61.8 extension on the Fibonacci, and it's confluently perfect with the buy order block that we got down here. And what did the market do? Came down perfectly to that buy order block, sniffed it out, filled some liquidity, grabbed some liquidity, and is basically retracing back up again, slowly but surely. Okay, so now my trading is lagging and shit. Yeah, Simon. So uh, we have some technical problems when it comes to Frederick, so you can't hear him, but you can watch his beautiful face, and I will kind of forward whatever what he says. And tomorrow at the stream, then we'll have this sorted out so that everything is in order. But for now, we just go with this. You will keep hearing my beautiful voice. And tomorrow also we'll try to have music on the live stream because apparently it's only me hearing the music, so doesn't make sense. And Henrik, yeah, I took a NAS trade. I took a NAS trade, and that one is currently in profit. It's 7 pips in profit right now. It's just bouncing up and down, ranging as you see, not much happening. But I think this one is going to drop. I'm looking for what? I'm looking for 63 pip profit on this one. That's the thing. And for gold, what we're looking at is this. We're looking gold. What we're looking at is the supply zone to hit, or the market to hit the supply zone, and drop down from there, basically. So because we got this big ass sell order block here, and we that one is perfectly confluent with the supply zone. And if we're looking at the bigger picture, then the whole trend is showing that it should actually drop. We got major sell pressure up here, major sell pressure, and major buy pressure below it. So therefore, we think the market should drop down. What'd you say? Say that again. Yeah. Yeah, I'm putting my sell limit at 1977. 76.8. Can you call out if it gets to our nice entry, if it's still valid? So basically, Henrik, the gold trade, I'm putting a sell limit at 1976.8. So that's what you can do. 1976.6 is where I'm putting a sell limit. So and I'm putting that the stop loss at 19. That's a good question. Do we want to have a big stop loss on this one? Then we got to go in with a small lot size. So I would want to put the stop loss at 1981.4, but then remember, that's a big stop loss. So you got to be, that's about 50 pips in stop loss, 45. So use have your lot size accordingly. I'm just gonna place the sell order for the gold trade. 1976.6. Stop loss 1981.4. And the take profit, that's the funny thing. The take profit is what I'm loving with this here. So my first take profit is down here. Not my first. If you're going in hard on this one, then of course put multiple take profits along the way. But my major take profit that I'm looking for is this one here. 1936. Frederick, am I greedy when I'm saying that? No. Frederick said 1921. So I'm actually not greedy. Yeah. 1937 is what I'm putting it at. Let's see. I might go in with multiple positions. Simon, what you say? Nas? Nas take profit. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see your question, man. The Nas take profit is, let's look at it. So I'm having my take profit down here. I want to see it come down and break these lows. So I'm having my take profit at 13,764. I can write it down. Yeah. TP, what we have, 13,764. But Henrik, and for anybody that's looking at this NAS trade that I'm looking at, that I'm in, I'm taking profits off the table when we hit the 38.2. That is 13,817, say, ish. I'm taking some profit off the table, and I'm moving the stop loss to break even. So if it reverses up, we stop out at profit, but we don't want to lose anything. And I'm also taking some partials down here at 13,804, I would say 13,804. You're welcome, man. So, yeah, and this is the imbalance I think we're going down to. This is why I'm looking at this NAS trade going that far. So okay, so guys, you cannot hear Frederick. I'm gonna forward a little bit of what we're talking about. So basically, we're looking at the US dollar, and we're making our decisions based off the US dollar a little bit. And we're looking for the US dollar to break down below this 50% that you see here. That's the big sweet spot zone on the bigger time frame, and grab liquidity from this order block down here. Am I correct, Frederick? Yeah, so, and what NAS does, why I'm trading NAS right now, NAS is always very often, or most often, moving with the US dollar. So US dollar drops, NAS drops. So I'm looking for NAS to come down all the way down here to fill some orders, fill an order block down here. I think it was down there. We'll look at it soon. Anyway, so I'm looking at it to come down to the 27.2 Fibonacci extension. But as I said, I'm closing positions along the way here. So this is the big target. In the same time, as we know, gold moves in reverse of the US dollar, right? So we're looking at the US dollar dropping. So what does the gold do then? Gold will pump. But we are not that ballsy that we want to enter a gold trade right now. So what we're doing is we're waiting for gold to come up to this big ass sell order block that is up here. This is a very, very juicy sell order block that is up here in the supply zone. If it comes to 1976.6, my sell limit will trigger. And that's what I'm calling out, a sell limit at this level. It might play around a little bit. I'm putting a big ass stop loss on this one just because it might play around a little bit here, chop around a little bit before it drops. So have your risk management accordingly with this big, almost 50 pip stop loss. But remember this also, this trade is like 500 pip something trade. What was it, Frederick? 500, yeah, 543 pips trade. So it's like, it's major. So it's definitely worth risking a little bit bigger stop loss on this one. So that's what we're looking at. That's the summary of what we've been talking about here. And yeah, gold is actually behaving very nicely and doing what it's supposed to do. It might reverse already from 1974.6-ish, 8, because this is where the order block starts. I think it's coming now up all the way here, but it might reverse already from here. If we see it reversing, we're jumping in. Our NAS trade is doing beautifully, and I would say this is the time when you take partials off the table. So Simon, you was asking me about NAS 100. Take partials off the table and move your stop loss to break even. That's what you're doing now. Prosperous, perfect. Thank you very much. 28 like that. Okay, perfect. Let's see if it holds. Now it's retracing a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out on break even, but it's looking good so far. Yeah, no, this one. So basically, what the US dollar is doing right now is facing some support at the 161.8 Fibonacci extension, but as you see, that support doesn't hold, and it's pushing through right now, coming down to the 50. So when this comes down to the 50, which is like anytime soon, then we need to take a serious look at our NAS trade and see if we might exit it or just put the stop loss very far down in profit. Actually, this thing has already reversed. Why is this reversing when the dollar is not reversing? Yeah, the dollar is at least doing exactly what we predicted it to do. It's, yeah, man, a downwards party. And gold hasn't come up all the way yet. It basically reversed at what you said, 1973.5. Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you. I think that's a very fair idea, man. Because if you're looking at, yeah, man. So right now it's basically just ranging a little bit inside this order block. It's accumulating, man. It's accumulating liquidity. Let's see if it wants to press all the way up to 1976. I think it's gonna do it. Yeah, exactly, exactly. What was the one that you posted in the Prosperous channel? What time frame was that one on? 1 hour. Okay, cool, perfect. So guys, just so you know, you have the chart, the gold chart on the inside the trade Prosperous trade channel, or is it in the Prosperous talks? No, leave it like that. Leave it like that. It's cool. Yeah, man. This one, very much happening right now. Very undecisive market, man. Now Nas is pumping up again. At least we took partials. This is why we always take in partials from the table, so that we have secured some profits. The question now is, do I want to jump into this again? I don't know. I seriously don't think I want to. I'd rather look at this gold trade to happen. Which the dollar continues to drop. Yeah, so you see this now. Its dollar is now perfectly at 50% Fibonacci retracement, and it looks like it wants to break it as well. Oh yeah, I see that. I see that. I see that. I see that now. Oh, 103. You mean this? You mean up here? Yeah, exactly. All right. Yeah. Well, if that happened, then NOS needs to drop more. No, you know what? There ain't enough action in the market. So what we do is we're waiting for this gold trade to happen, and this is what we will look out for. We might drop some other pairs. That depends on if the magnificent Frederick comes with some nice Manara patterns to us. But until that, I think it's that's it for the stream. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. We start streaming 3:15 CET, so Central European time, and hopefully we got some more action going on then. I'll just check quickly if we got some news tomorrow. Yeah, we got a New Zealand dollar, and we got GBP red folders, and we even got red folders for US dollar, but that's later in the evening. So we got an packed day. But with that said, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Stay prosperous, trade safe, and peace out.